Polling began on Wednesday morning across the 288 assembly seats in Maharashtra, where the ruling BJP-led Mahayuti alliance is vying to retain power and the Mahavikas Aghadi combine is hoping for a strong comeback. A number of voters flocked to polling booths across the state early in the morning to exercise their democratic right. In Thane, voters raised concerns over the lack of job opportunities and rising inflation, urging leaders to address these pressing issues.
नहीं, लोग आने मांगते हैं अपना कि अपना कीमती वोट आपको डालना ही पड़ेगा कैसे भी करके आपको, क्योंकि आप क्या मुद्दे हैं, किन मुद्दों नहीं मुद्दे कैसे मतलब है, अभी यंग लड़के लोग काम मांगते हैं हाँ, अभी महंगाई बढ़ गया है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा कम करना मांगते हैं उसमें.
In Mumbai's Malabar Hill, citizens said that they are voting for development, with some revealing their political preference and others keeping reserved.
New government, yeah, and I really hope it's BJP. Whether it's new or old, I don't know.
On what issues did you vote today and how would you encourage?
Development, basically development.
I always cast my vote, but this time it is very, we are very eager to vote.
On what issues did you vote?
We vote for a good governance. हम ये चाहते हैं कि देश में एकता रहे और देश में विकास होवे. कोई लीडर का नाम नहीं ले सकता हूँ क्योंकि इलेक्शन है, इसलिए मैं अपने आप को रिजर्व रखता हूँ.
Actually, we want everything should be peaceful, everything go normal, like these riots and all that people are going for, that should not happen. That's all.
Voters in Mumbai's Kolaba constituency voiced similar concerns, with some raising constituency-specific issues.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी सरकार चाहिए जो नागरिकों की मूलभूत समस्याओं की ओर अपना ध्यान आकर्षित कर सके हम लोग. इसलिए हमने आज यहाँ पर मतदान किया और हम समझते हैं कि जो भी सरकार चुनी जाएगी, जो भी सरकार आएगी, वो हम लोगों की बेसिक समस्याओं के समाधान के लिए काम करेगी.
बहुत कुछ चेंज होना चाहिए अभी तक, रीडेवलपमेंट वगैरह बहुत चीज चेंज होना बहुत बाकी है अभी. एटलीस्ट बच्चों के लिए जो ग्राउंड प्ले वगैरह कुछ भी खेलने के लिए नहीं है कुलाबा में, वो बहुत कुछ होना चाहिए. बट बहुत कुछ अच्छा भी है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं अच्छा है.
In another Mumbai upscale locality, Juhu, a voter urged citizens to make sure that they cast their ballots.
Remember, you are a citizen of this country. Must remember your responsibilities. Come what may, you must find the time first as a top priority and vote today. That's it.
Any particular issue that you would like the government to address, like when the new government comes in?
Well, there are many, just citing one particular thing will not be proper on my part to say that.
Voters in Mumbai's Bandra expressed the need for affordable housing in the city.
For me, it is affordability of houses. We all need a roof on our head. I, as a single woman working here, I would like to buy my own place and maybe have enough space to get my mom in and everything. So I think we work so hard, like I already said, and to be not able to afford houses, and there has to be affordable housing societies available for, the Maharashtrian people. We work really hard.
Many senior citizens also cast their ballots, emphasizing the importance of voting.
Vote everybody can, it is depend on his choice only. Am I right?
Yes. And everyone should come and vote.
At least everyone go to give vote to anybody, any party, but you have to come and give vote. That is important. That is duty means important, that is.
In Pune, a voter echoed the need for better education and recreational facilities for children.
फर्स्ट तो मैंने ये एजुकेशन के बारे में उन्होंने करना चाहिए, प्लेग्राउंड के बारे में, बच्चों के प्लेग्राउंड के बारे में करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अब प्लेग्राउंड बच्चों के लिए नहीं रहे उतने जितने चाहिए. तो प्लेग्राउंड में तो मस्त करूँगी, क्योंकि वही हमारा भविष्य है बच्चे. तो बच्चों के बारे में जो चाहे उतना करना चाहिए.
Nirmala Chitle, a 93-year-old resident of Nagpur who served 1 month in jail during the emergency, cast her vote, saying that age was not a deterrent for her to exercise her democratic right.
सबने वोटिंग करना चाहिए, बूढ़े को ले जाना चाहिए अच्छे से लोगों ने, और उसका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाना चाहिए.
आपने काफी सुना है, आपने काफी संघर्ष भी किया है.
हाँ, इमरजेंसी में जेल में गए थे. हाँ, मैं यदि बूढ़ी भी हूँ तो मैं डालूंगी मत. ऐसा सोच के आई हूँ.
Voting began in all the 288 assembly seats at 7 a.m. and will end at 6 p.m. The votes will be counted on November 23rd.